Hi, I'm Sheenagh Hennessey and I've been working in the RHS Wisley Bookshop for a few years now. Being in the larger space of the Wisley Welcome building means we can offer you an even wider range of books to choose from. I have a passion for books and for plants, so working here at the Wisley Bookshop is great for me. We're the biggest physical retailer of gardening books in the UK. We offer gardening books on all topics including garden design, grow your own, garden history, houseplants, children's gardening and more. In 2017 we won Non-Traditional Bookseller of the Year at the British Book Awards. If you're starting out in gardening, we have some great books for you. Let's start with How to Garden When You're New to Gardening. The basics for absolute beginners. This book gives simple step-by-step instructions with clear images to help you build your dream garden, no matter the size or scale. We have a wide range of gardening books to suit all levels, from total beginner to professional landscaping. Gardening is a fun and educational activity for children, so if you're a parent, grandparent, aunt or uncle, come and see our children's range of gardening books for some inspirational and easy projects. And whether or not you have a garden, we also stock a large range of books showcasing botanical art, garden photography, natural history and more. If you want to learn more about the RHS, this is the book for you. A Nation in Bloom by Matthew Biggs is a beautiful coffee table book full of amazing images and lots of information. The RHS is the best of gardening and this book presents the best of the RHS. What are your favourite gardening books? Leave your comments below and drop into the shop to see me for any recommendations.